So yes, I bought these for, I think 50 bucks Canadian, but I bought it here in the Philippines. So yeah, I ripped these apart. So first things first, I'm gonna wash it. What, Jabba?
Papa, the dinosaur loves the meat.
Yes, the dinosaur does love meat. Alright, so I just finished these. I got the icy soles back. No, I didn't get the icy soles back, but they were much yellower than this. The flaws, it still doesn't have that factory finish that I want. So yeah, overall, 7.58. Looks dope from far though. When you get closer, like, ugh, looks good from far, but far from good.